Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Portfolio Ladder Strategy for retirement planning. A dividend portfolio ladder is a method of spreading investments across dividend-paying stocks, exchange-traded funds, or income funds that distribute payments in different months. The main purpose is to create a more regular stream of income throughout the year, helping retirees match their dividend payments with monthly living expenses. To begin with, calculate how much dividend income you actually need. Subtract reliable income sources, such as a pension or Social Security, from your estimated monthly expenses. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000 and other retirement income provides $1,800, your dividend portfolio needs to generate approximately $1,200 per month. Next, arrange your investments according to their payment schedules. Some holdings may pay monthly, while many companies and funds pay quarterly. Therefore, you can combine investments that pay in January, April, July, and October with holdings that pay in February, May, August, and November. Similarly, another group may pay in March, June, September, and December. As a result, dividend payments can be distributed more evenly across the calendar. After that, build the portfolio in separate ladder rungs. The first rung may contain high-quality dividend ETFs that provide broad diversification. The second rung may include established blue-chip companies with stable earnings and a history of dividend growth. The third rung may contain carefully selected higher-yield investments to increase portfolio income. Finally, the fourth rung should include cash or short-term reserves to cover expenses during periods of market weakness. At the same time, diversify the portfolio across stable income-producing sectors. For instance, utilities, consumer staples, healthcare companies, real estate investment trusts, and diversified dividend ETFs may respond differently to economic conditions. Consequently, spreading investments across several sectors can reduce dependence on one industry. However, dividend yield should always be considered together with safety. A very high yield may sometimes indicate financial problems or an unsustainable dividend. Therefore, review the payout ratio, earning stability, cash flow strength, debt levels, and dividend growth history before selecting an investment. The objective is not simply to find the highest yield, but to build a dependable retirement income stream. In addition, create a withdrawal buffer. Keeping approximately 6 to 12 months of planned spending in cash or short-term investments can provide valuable flexibility. When dividend income fluctuates or markets decline, this reserve can help cover expenses without forcing you to sell long-term investments at an unfavorable time. Furthermore, review and rebalance the portfolio regularly. Check whether dividend payments are still arriving according to your planned schedule, replace weak or unreliable dividend positions, rebalance sector allocations, and adjust the income target for inflation or changing retirement expenses. For example, a $400,000 portfolio producing an average dividend yield of 4% may generate approximately $16,000 per year, or about $1,333 per month on average. Nevertheless, actual income will vary because dividend payments, market values, taxes, and yields can change over time. Overall, a well-designed dividend portfolio ladder may provide smoother cash flow, easier budgeting, reduced income timing risk, greater diversification, and more confidence during retirement. Most importantly, the strategy combines payment timing, investment quality, diversification, and cash reserves to make retirement income more predictable. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered personalized financial advice. Investment returns and dividend payments are not guaranteed, so consider your financial situation and seek professional advice when necessary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.